Hey everyone, Jack here from Nipper, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Okay, Subway Surfers. Let's do this. Let's do this awesome sauce. Right, so sorry I didn't like my internet on technical difficulties right now. Oh god, it's gonna make it so hard to lag. No, stupid idiot. Mega. Okay. This man, Lamb City. Hope not. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Freedoms. Pluggy. Oh my god. Oh god. There's the E. Oh, I just died. Right. What could be in store for us? God, 8,000! Woo! How much? Especially 1,000. Go away. Okay. This is until I can't get her. Oh, but I mean, I'm not supposed to all okay, whoa, okay, what's my missions? That's easy. To be honest, I thought I'd be able to do better. I can't. Let's pass up here. That's the mission complete. Donna. There, I jump that. Just keep rolling, do. Just keep rolling. Oh yeah. No! How am I able before this lag? It's stupid. It is stupid. Awesome. Just keep going, do. Just keep. Oh god, no. It's all the top. Oh, baby, my panties. One, and I deserve this freedom. I deserve this. I deserve this absolute freedom to be free. For this sweet mountain of money. I turn on corner man. I had been trying to put out fire. Oh well. 45,000. And you start with the lag. Jesus. Let's get these two keys. Whatever the video is. Okay. That was surprising. Okay. Okay, I got my two keys away. What do we... No, thank you. I did not want my hair. For you, to flip my hair. I don't know. I suck at games. La, la. Well then, that was fun. But no reason at all. Okay, so now we're gonna play BTD5. Yeah. Ow, my ears. Okay, I always start off with two ninja monkeys. I don't know why, but I always do that. Yeah, so this is what I like to do. Because I like to just do this. And see what I can do with my pretty self. Also, just in case I can fight. Just in case. Just in case. Listen, guys, listen.